Herbal syrups are one of the easiest and tastiest things you can make for your natural medicine cabinet. Some natural products have the most diverse uses and benefits to the human body. These products can work as everything from detox drinks to beauty products. Lemon, ginger, and honey are the perfect examples in this case. Ginger, lemon, anything always sounds like the healthiest thing one could consume, and it probably is. Independently, ginger, lemon, and honey are very beneficial to human beings. When combined, these products are exceptional. Today we have decided to share some helpful recipes that you can be made in the convenience of your own home. Please take note, you should not use ginger if you have cardiac or liver problems, high temperature, or damaged mucous membranes. And refrain from using ginger if you're bleeding or in the second and third trimesters of pregnancy. Make sure you're not allergic to ginger before using any beauty treatments containing ginger extract. Do a test patch on your arm first. If these warnings don't apply to you, let's get started. Ginger, more than just a spice. This common vegetable/root is filled with antiviral and antibacterial contents that help fight infections like the flu virus. It also has expectorant properties that loosens mucus in the lungs and sinus while providing a soothing feeling. Ginger also has phenolic compounds that aid the digestive system in many ways. These compounds are linked to reducing the risk of constipation and detoxing the body. It also produces sweat in the body, which helps to get rid of toxins and prevent infections. Ginger is also a great appetite booster. Lemon, it is a fruit filled with nutrients such as vitamin C and B. Lemon is also a natural antiseptic, and you can use it to cleanse the body. Some people also use it as a body purifier and detox agent. Fresh lemon is also useful when maintaining or restoring the body's pH balance. Its cleansing properties are useful to the liver and other important body organs. Honey is one of the natural sweeteners that even nutritionists recommend. Honey has antibacterial properties that fight infections in your body. Despite the sweetness, honey soothes a sore throat with both a calming and cooling effect that reduces the pain significantly. How to make ginger tea? The method is simple. Grate fresh ginger into a teapot or a bowl. You can peel the ginger, or you can use it with its skin. If you choose to keep the skin, make sure that you wash it well to remove all the dirt. Pour 1 cup of boiling water into the ginger and let it sit for about 5 minutes. Meanwhile, squeeze lemon juice into a mug and add honey. Sieve the ginger tea into the honey and lemon juice mixture and stir to dissolve the honey. Alternatively, you can use lemon slices instead of using the juice alone. It all depends on your preferences. Always use fresh ingredients for the best results and a great taste. The health benefits of ginger tea are plentiful and have been well documented for centuries. Drinking a cup of ginger tea before traveling can help prevent the nausea and vomiting associated with motion sickness. You can also drink a cup at the first sign of nausea to relieve the symptom. Useful in improving digestion and increasing absorption of food, ginger tea can bloating after eating too much. Ginger contains anti-inflammatory properties that make it an ideal home remedy for muscle and joint problems. In addition to drinking ginger tea, you can also use it to soak inflamed joints. Ginger tea can help relieve congestion associated with the common cold. Try a cup of ginger tea for the respiratory symptoms associated with environmental allergies. The vitamins, minerals and amino acids in ginger tea can help restore and improve blood circulation that may help decrease the chance of cardiovascular problems. Ginger may prevent fat from depositing in the arteries, helping to prevent heart attacks and stroke. This one is for all women suffering from menstrual cramps. Try soaking a towel in warm ginger tea and apply it to your lower abdomen. It may help relieve the pain and relax the muscles. At the same time, drink a cup of ginger tea with honey. Ginger tea can help strengthen your immunity due to the high levels of antioxidants in ginger. Ginger tea has calming properties that may help lower your stress and tension. This is thought to be due to a combination of the strong aroma and healing properties. What other uses of ginger do you know? Share them with us in the comments section. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to subscribe and give me thumbs up. Stay healthy and have a great day.